Welcome back to 1 to 10. Today we're counting down the top 10 craziest weather phenomena. Events so incredible, they'll leave you in awe of Mother Nature's power and unpredictability. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the fiery spectacle known as a fire tornado or fire whirl. Imagine a tornado, but instead of wind and debris, it's filled with raging flames. This phenomenon occurs during intense wildfires, when the extreme heat and turbulent air combine to create a rotating vortex of fire. Fire tornadoes form when a wildfire creates its own weather system. The intense heat causes the air to rise rapidly, creating an updraft. If the updraft encounters a horizontal wind, it can start to spin, forming a vertical vortex of flames. These tornadoes can reach temperatures of over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit and can spin at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, making them incredibly dangerous. Fire tornadoes are not only a visual spectacle, but also a deadly force of nature. Their unpredictability and the sheer power of the flames make them extremely difficult to control. Firefighters on the ground face significant challenges when dealing with these phenomena, as they can change direction rapidly and spread fire over large areas. Fire tornadoes are a stark reminder of how wildfires can create their own weather systems. These fiery whirlwinds are as mesmerizing as they are terrifying, earning them a well-deserved spot on our list of the craziest weather phenomena. Coming in at number 9 is the Catatumbo lightning, a natural light show that puts any fireworks display to shame. This phenomenon occurs over the Catatumbo River in Venezuela and is famous for its almost continuous lightning storms. Catatumbo lightning is a unique meteorological phenomenon that occurs where the Catatumbo River meets Lake Maracaibo. The area's topography and the warm, moist air from the lake combine with cool mountain winds, creating the perfect conditions for lightning storms. These storms can last for up to 10 hours a night and occur up to 260 nights a year. Catatumbo lightning is not just a visual spectacle, it's also a significant natural source of ozone. The lightning produces a massive amount of ozone as it ionizes the air, which has led scientists to study its potential effects on the Earth's atmosphere. Catatumbo lightning is a dazzling reminder of the power and beauty of nature. With thousands of lightning strikes lighting up the sky every year, it's no wonder this phenomenon has captured the imagination of people around the world. Next up at number 8 is thundersnow, one of the most surreal weather events you can experience. Imagine a snowstorm, where instead of just heavy snow, you also get flashes of lightning and the rumble of thunder. Thundersnow is a rare event that requires very specific conditions. For it to occur, you need a cold air mass at the surface and warmer air above, along with strong atmospheric instability. These conditions can cause thunderstorm-like activity, but instead of rain, you get snow. The thunder during a thundersnow event is often softer and more muffled than during a typical thunderstorm. This is because snowflakes absorb some of the sound, giving the thunder a distinctive, eerie quality. Thundersnow is rare because the conditions required are so specific. It's most commonly observed in late winter or early spring, especially in mountainous regions or near large bodies of water. Thunder snow is one of the most fascinating weather phenomena because it combines the familiar with the unexpected. The sight of lightning flashing through falling snow is something you'll never forget. Number 7, we delve into one of the most mysterious and debated weather phenomena, ball lightning. Described as glowing orbs that appear during thunderstorms, ball lightning has puzzled scientists and eyewitnesses alike for centuries. Ball lightning typically appears as a glowing spherical object that can range from the size of a golf ball to several meters in diameter. These orbs can last anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes and have been reported to explode with a loud bang, causing damage to nearby objects. There are many theories about what causes ball lightning, ranging from electrical discharges to plasma formations. However, because the phenomenon is so rare and unpredictable, it's been difficult for scientists to study it in controlled environments. Ball lightning is a perfect example of how much we still don't know about our planet's weather systems. It's a phenomenon that blurs the line between science and the supernatural, and it continues to captivate the imagination of those who witness it. Number 6 on our list is frost quakes, also known as cryoseisms. Imagine being awakened in the middle of the night by a loud boom, only to discover that it wasn't an earthquake, but the ground itself cracking due to the intense cold. Frostquakes occur when water trapped in the ground suddenly freezes and expands. This expansion creates pressure, which can cause the ground to crack with a loud, explosive sound. Unlike traditional earthquakes, frostquakes are localized and usually not powerful enough to cause significant damage. Frostquakes are most common in areas with cold climates, especially during periods of rapid temperature drop. The ground must be saturated with water, which then freezes quickly as the temperature plummets. Frostquakes provide valuable insights into the effects of extreme cold on the Earth's crust. While they don't pose a significant threat, they are a fascinating example of how weather can interact with geological processes. Halfway through our countdown, we arrive at blood rain, a phenomenon that sounds like something out of a horror movie, but is entirely natural. Blood rain occurs when dust, sand, or other particles are picked up by strong winds and carried into the atmosphere. When these particles mix with rain, they give the water a red, brown, or even yellowish tint, creating the appearance of blood rain. Blood rain has been documented throughout history and has often been viewed as an ominous sign or a bad omen. In ancient times, people believed it was a precursor to disaster, and it's mentioned in various religious texts and folklore. Today, we know that blood rain is most commonly caused by sandstorms in the Sahara Desert. The fine dust particles are carried by the wind over long distances, sometimes as far as Europe, where they mix with precipitation to create the reddish rain. Blood rain is a fascinating example of how interconnected our planet's systems are. It's a reminder that even the most bizarre weather events have logical explanations rooted in the natural world. At number 4, we have one of the most powerful and dangerous types of thunderstorms, supercells. These rotating storms are the powerhouse of the atmosphere, capable of producing severe weather like large hail, damaging winds and tornadoes. A supercell is a thunderstorm with a deep, persistently rotating updraft called a mesocyclone. This rotation is what sets supercells apart from other types of thunderstorms, and it's what gives them the ability to produce such extreme weather. Supercells form in environments with strong wind shear and instability. As warm, moist air rises, it encounters cooler, drier air aloft, creating the conditions for rotation. The result is a powerful storm with a distinct structure, often featuring a towering anvil cloud and a rotating updraft. Supercells are a major focus of meteorological research, particularly in the field of tornado formation. Supercells are a testament to the incredible forces at play in our atmosphere. Their beauty and power make them one of the most awe-inspiring and dangerous weather phenomena on our planet. Cracking into our top 3 is a phenomenon that sounds like a tall tale, but is actually documented throughout history: raining animals. From frogs and fish to spiders and worms, reports of animals falling from the sky have intrigued and puzzled people for centuries. Raining animals typically occurs during strong storms or waterspouts. Waterspouts can suck up small animals from bodies of water, carrying them into the sky. When the storm weakens, these animals are dropped, sometimes miles away from where they were picked up. While the exact mechanisms behind raining animals are still debated, the most widely accepted explanation involves waterspouts and strong updrafts. These weather systems can lift small creatures into the atmosphere, where they are transported and eventually fall back to Earth. Raining animals is one of the most bizarre and fascinating weather phenomena. It's a reminder that our planet is full of surprises and that sometimes truth really is stranger than fiction. Taking the number 2 spot on our list is a weather phenomenon that's truly out of this world: the Great Red Spot on Jupiter. This massive storm has been raging for at least 400 years and is the largest storm in our solar system. The Great Red Spot is a gigantic, high-pressure storm located in Jupiter's southern hemisphere. It's so large that Earth could fit inside it multiple times over. The storm's winds reach speeds of up to 430 kilometers per h, making it a truly colossal weather system. The Great Red Spot's longevity is one of its most fascinating aspects. While storms on Earth typically last for days or weeks, this storm has been observed since at least the 17th century. Scientists believe that Jupiter's lack of solid surface and the planet's rapid rotation contribute to the storm's persistence. The Great Red Spot has been a focus of study for astronomers and planetary scientists for centuries. Observations by telescopes and spacecraft like the Voyager missions and Juno have provided valuable insights into the dynamics of this immense storm. The Great Red Spot is a reminder of how small we are in the grand scheme of the universe. It's a storm that has outlasted generations and will likely continue to rage for centuries to come. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is volcanic lightning, an electrifying display that combines the power of volcanic eruptions with the spectacle of lightning storms. This phenomenon is as rare as it is breathtaking. Volcanic lightning occurs when an eruption sends ash and other volcanic material high into the atmosphere. As these particles collide, they generate static electricity, which can result in spectacular lightning displays within the ash plume. Volcanic lightning provides important insights into the electrical properties of volcanic ash and the dynamics of eruptions. Scientists study these events to better understand how lightning forms and how it might affect the atmosphere. The dramatic visuals of volcanic lightning have made it a favorite subject for photographers and filmmakers. The combination of fire and lightning is both awe-inspiring and terrifying, capturing the imagination of people around the world. Volcanic lightning is the ultimate fusion of Earth's natural forces. It's a reminder of the raw power of our planet and the incredible beauty that can emerge from even the most destructive events. That's why it takes the #1 spot on our list of the craziest weather phenomena. And there you have it, our top 10 craziest weather phenomena. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments, what's the craziest weather phenomenon you've ever experienced? Thank you for watching.